Brother-in-law, you think you the only one got a camp? This right here, this Camp 9 over here, baby. You see them? Got the Orbitons over there, got the red one. Come on around here, brother-in-law. Look at there. Look at there, brother-in-law. You see him? Yellow Orbitons. Got them right there. All day long, big rooster. Got them right here. Come on around here. We ain't done yet, brother-in-law. They think somebody finna feed them, but they ain't. Brother-in-law. That right. You see him, brother-in-law. Over here at Camp 9, we might be little, but we bloodline strong. You see him? Hush up. See him, brother-in-law? What? Hush your face. Brother-in-law, something wrong with him. Look at it. He won't grow. Inbred. Oh, we ain't done, brother-in-law. Goddamn over there. You think you the only one, brother-in-law? Got something going on up here in North Carolina. You see him? Look at that, brother-in-law. We might be little, but we coming. We bloodline up. Go ahead, come on. Look here, brother-in-law. You see him? Big boy. Look at that. Going down, brother-in-law. Look at Big Mama. Big Mama just had some babies. Brother-in-law, ain't nothing new up under the world, brother-in-law. Look at that, man. Woo. That. I ain't want to splash. Motherfucker ready to eat. Well, brother-in-law, this here from Camp 9. Next time you'll see if we be bigger and better. Part 2, brother-in-law. You see him. 592. They might be small, brother-in-law. We in the buying process. When they get big, pure-blooded. You know, bro, look at that. Pure-blooded little bull. Look at that. They little right now. They ain't big as them Black Angus. That right there, he gonna be worth something, bro. Just think, got all of this. Next time you see, you're gonna see that whole pasture back there. You see that whole big pasture? Everything going down. Camp 9 has started. Been underway for a minute. Gonna get it going. Over and out.